For more than 60 years, Lawton Floor Design has been a trusted name in flooring across Brattleboro and the greater Southeast Vermont region. As a locally owned business and proud member of the Brattleboro Chamber of Commerce, we stand behind a simple promise: doing it right for decades. When you visit our expansive showroom, the largest in Southeast Vermont, you'll find an unparalleled selection of flooring options to suit any style, any space, and any budget. From plush carpet and timeless hardwood to bamboo, cork luxury vinyl, wood and ceramic and porcelain tile to natural stone and beautifully crafted area rugs, our team is here to help you explore the materials that bring your vision to life. What truly sets Lawton Floor Design apart is our commitment to quality from start to finish. With our own in-house installation team, something unique in the region, we ensure your flooring is installed with unmatched precision and care. No outsourcing, no uncertainty. Just flawless results you can enjoy for years to come. Whether you're updating one room or reimagining your entire home or business, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Visit Lawton Floor Design in Brattleboro or speak with one of our flooring experts today. Call us at 802-254-9303 and discover why generations of customers continue to trust us with their homes. Lawton Floor Design, doing it right for decades.